If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The navigation pane in Acrobat, which appears as a collapsed pane at the right side of the document pane in the document view, shows buttons in a section at the top of the pane. You can click one of these buttons to then show a panel for the button's content to the left of the navigation pane. Clicking the same button again hides the panel. The buttons that appear by default in the navigation pane from top to bottom let you open the Generative Summary, Comments, Bookmarks, and Pages panels, respectively. To change which buttons appear in the top section of the navigation pane in Acrobat, right-click in the top section to show a pop-up menu of buttons representing all the possible panels to show. Buttons in this menu that show a check mark by their names currently appear in the navigation pane. Buttons without a check mark do not. You can click any button in this menu to add it to or remove it from the navigation pane. If needed, to reset any customizations to the navigation pane in Acrobat, right-click in the upper section of the navigation pane, and then select the Reset Side Panels command in the pop-up menu to reset the display of the navigation pane to its default buttons. At the bottom of the navigation pane in Acrobat are two button sections. The buttons in the upper of the two lower sections let you scroll through the pages in the current PDF. The buttons in the bottommost section let you change the view and magnification of the current PDF. The white box shows the current PDF page number, and the number below the box shows the total number of pages in the current PDF. To show a PDF page by page number, type the page number into the upper white page number box, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. That page then appears in the document pane. To move to the previous or next page from the current page in the PDF in Acrobat, click the Go to Previous Page or Go to Next Page arrow buttons below the page numbers. The buttons in the bottom section of the navigation pane let you change the view and magnification of the current PDF. To rotate the view of the current PDF 90 degrees to the right, click the Rotate the Document to the Right button. To show a side menu of other view choices from which you can select, click the button below the Rotate button in the navigation pane to show a side menu of view choices from which you can select. The current view selected is the button face that then appears for this button in the navigation pane. Also, note that there is a More or Less link at the bottom of the side menu of view choices that appears, which you can click to show more or fewer view choices in the side menu. To zoom in and zoom out of the current PDF page, click the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons, respectively, at the bottom of the navigation pane. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.